The 250A Aluminum Pulsed MIG Welder offers a versatile 7-in-1 functionality, allowing users to perform a wide range of welding tasks with ease. Thanks to its pulsed MIG feature, this welder is particularly adept at handling aluminum, delivering high-quality and visually appealing welds with minimal spatter. The welder is equipped with an upgraded large LED display, which provides clear and accurate data, enhancing user experience and safety by allowing easy readability even with a helmet on. Its automatic synergic control makes it user-friendly for beginners, while the manual control option offers flexibility for experienced welders to fine-tune the settings. With compatibility for various wire diameters and types, this machine is suitable for diverse applications, including carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum welding. Backed by a 2-year guarantee, the 250A Aluminum Pulsed MIG Welder provides peace of mind with its reliable performance and manufacturer support.